how to turn on flash for notifications on iPhone. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your settings. Then under settings, I want you to look for the accessibility here. Click on accessibility and then scroll down up until you see the hearing section here where you can see audio and visual. Click on audio and visual here and then scroll all the way down up until you see the visual option here. Now under visual option here, you will see LED flash for alerts, and actually it's currently turned off. Now, if you wish to turn on your flash on notification, if you wish to turn on the flash for notifications on iPhone, then what you can do is to just toggle that on, the toggle on the LED flash for alerts. And basically, you can either flash while even if it's unlocked, but for me, I just want to flash it whenever it's locked for me to notify me. And basically, that's how you turn on flash for notifications on iPhone. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.